These are the Akko POM Pinks. They come in trays of 45 with each switch costing around 37 cents USD. As the name suggests, they have full POM housings along with POM stems as well. They use 55-gram extended springs and do not come pre-lubed. They use cherry style latches and are 3-pin plate mounted. Like all other Akko switches, these do not need to be filmed as the housings are quite tight. Compared to the Jelly series, the POM Pinks have less up-down stem wobble but more side to side. Compared to the original CS series, they are overall better. In general, they have excellent tolerances. I love the dense, full sound of these switches, and I'd say it makes them sound unique. Overall, interesting new switches from Akko, and I suggest you check them out.